Welcome back to a new video. I am the Italian investor and today we are going to talk about an investment, a stock, which is maybe the best risk-reward ratio in the stock market right now. This stock looks like easy money. It's an undervalued, beaten down dog. It is a value stock. It lost a lot of its valuation and now it's very close to its lows. So I think it's offering a really great opportunity. The stock I'm talking about is Molson Coors, ticker symbol TAP. This is a beverage company focusing mostly on alcoholics, which had some very low fears even before the pandemic. As you can see, the stock reached around $112 per share in 2016 and then it started plunging. A never-ending plunge which reached something like $32 per share. And now the stock is around $46 per share. The business started deteriorating in 2017. Management made some bad decisions. They made an acquisition which costed a lot of money and forced the company to get a lot of debt, so the market punished it. Plus, in the end, this acquisition wasn't accretive. Company's revenue is basically stuck and profitability is getting worse. Then the pandemic arrived and totally killed the business. In fact, the European business got really beaten down by the pandemic, by lockdown restrictions, and the stock kept going down. But now, I believe, Molson Coors time has come. The turnaround can finally take place. In this video I'm going to show you which are the catalysts that can lead the stock to reach new highs, or at least recover the old highs. The first catalyst is the distribution of ZOA. This is The Rock's energy drink. Why it is important? It is important because Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, has an Instagram following which is unbelievable. As you can see, he has 269 million followers on Instagram and he often posts about ZOA. The product is doing great so far. It's exceeding the company's expectations and I believe it's going to do very well in the coming years. The small problem of this product is that we don't know how much of revenue Molson Coors is able to create from ZOA goes into the bottom line, goes into net income, because they take care only of the distribution, while the product is produced by the Rock's company. So it's really hard to understand how much revenue this can produce and even more how much net income this can produce, but I believe the contribution is going to be minimal, it's not going to be really high. But who knows, maybe in the coming years ZOA become a more relevant product and perhaps Dwayne Johnson's company will need more help also for the production and could ask Molson Coors to help in the production and the distribution. So maybe over time revenue and margins can grow also on ZOA. The second catalyst is Topo Chico Hard Seltzer. This is having an unbelievable performance in the USA. It's gaining market share very rapidly. The company aims to reach around 10% market share in the USA on its hard seltzer line. Recently they also announced that they are going to distribute Topo Chico in more US states. Topo Chico is exceeding the company's expectations as well. Topo Chico is a Coca-Cola's brand, but Molson Coors takes care of production and distribution. So perhaps if Molson Coors will be able to do a great job, Coca-Cola might think about acquiring Molson Coors. In fact, Molson Coors' market cap is something like $10 billion, which is nothing big for Coca-Cola. So this could be a possible future catalyst, or we can also think about new collaborations between Coca-Cola and Molson Coors, which are going to be revenue accretive for Molson Coors. And for now, TAP execution is being on top, is being amazing, so Coca-Cola should be pretty happy. Then we have the third catalyst, which is Vizzy. That is another hard seltzer line by Molson Coors. This one is doing great as well. It's not as good as Topo Chico, but it's very close. And Molson Coors is also launching their hard seltzer line in Europe, which is going to be a little bit different than the one they are offering in the USA, and we will see if it will work just as good as the USA line. And then our fourth catalyst is Truss, which is Molson Coors cannabis drink. This at the moment is being distributed only in Canada, but it's probably coming in the USA as well. And in Canada it reached a 50% market share in the cannabis drinks market, which is really incredible. This is an outstanding result. Molson Coors management believes these new categories are going to contribute 1 billion in revenue within FY 2023. But they said that in the half year of 2021, they already reached what was their goal for final year 2021. So probably this goal of 1 billion revenue within 2023 is going to be strongly exceeded. So in the past, management made some important mistakes, but now they are trying to improve, they are trying to make the company grow and get better. Another very important thing they are doing is focusing on reducing debt. Indeed, Molson Coors got very indebted, as I told you, from the acquisition they did some years ago. But now they are finally working on that and they are being able to reduce their debts very well. Molson Coors has an impressive cash generation, so paying off debt is not so hard for them. It's not going to be a problem in the next few years. This is something I really like about Molson Coors, the fact that they have a stable cash generation, which gives them some stability and which shows how undervalued this company is. In the next few years, free cash flow yield is going to be over 10% with the free cash flow estimates, and which shows how undervalued this stock is. In fact, based on analyst estimates, top free cash flow yield is something between 10 and 15%, really high. Also considering the sector of Molson Coors, which is beverages, which is considered a very stable sector and usually gets a pretty high multiple. But we are going to see my Molson Coors valuation in the next video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a like to this video and comment below if you want to let me know something. That's it for this video and see you next time. Bye!